Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by preparing both the remote and the target device. Make sure the remote has fresh batteries and the device's Bluetooth or Wi-Fi is enabled. Once done, open the official app and allow the required permissions so pairing can proceed. This prevents hidden blocks later. Next, put the remote into pairing mode, usually by holding a specific button for 3-5 seconds, and watch the app to detect the remote. If the app lists multiple devices, choose the one matching the model number shown on the remote. Once paired, you'll configure how the remote controls the device by mapping buttons to functions, tap a control in the app, press the remote button, and confirm the assignment. Make sure to test each mapping, press observe, and adjust delays or sensitivity if commands are missed. If you want automation, create a scene or macro. Sequence multiple commands with timing and save it to a quick access slot. Finally, label configurations clearly so you can revert changes quickly if something behaves unexpectedly. You'll finish by saving your configurations and backing them up to the cloud or exporting a local file. This keeps your setup recoverable. Then verify everything. Restart both devices, walk the expected range, and confirm consistent response times. Make sure firmware is up to date before concluding, because updates often fix connectivity bugs. If something goes wrong, start with one key troubleshooting tip. Reset the remote to factory defaults, re-enable Bluetooth/Wi-Fi on the device, and repeat the pairing process from the first slide.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.